Welcome back.
We visit beaches, jungles, haunted places, and vacated hotels. Today we take you to the most southern tip of Koh Chang's west coast to see the haunted Ghost cruise ship. We explore the area with 2 drones. Are you tired of only sunbathing on beaches and in search of unique experiences? Consider visiting the haunted, abandoned ship in a secluded spot on Koh Chang in Thailand's southern Trat province.
If you are new to the channel, subscribe to stay in touch and turn on notification.
To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle. Strictly speaking, Koh Chang has been able to boast of its very own cruise ship for some considerable time. The Galaxy was deliberately beached at the southern end of the west coast beyond Bang Bao Beach. The Galaxy hotel ship is catching the attention of travelers seeking new experiences. This hotel was originally a 7-story cruise ship, converted into a hotel as part of the Koh Chang Grand Lagoona project.
I would love to see you alike.
However, the hotel ceased operation about 20 years ago due to an economic downturn. Since then, it has been sitting eerily quiet, its once bustling corridors now filled with echoing silence.
Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nann
and Odin. Make the best out of your day, every day. Nann could not join us on this trip because she had to work. Galaxy Hotel, roughly 27 kilometers from the Koh Chang ferry terminal, is no longer operational. Still, the owner invites tourists to explore the property. The entrance fee to the ship-shaped hotel is 150 baht per person, a small price for the chance to explore this unique site. The first and second floors once housed conference rooms and staff areas, while the third through fifth floor accommodated guest rooms. Many of the room's amenities, including TVs, refrigerators, bed linens and towels, remain in their original state from when the hotel was open. The final 2 top floors used to be a restaurant. alongside a motley collection of houseboats and a floating swimming pool. The Galaxy, with its 7 floors and 70 rooms, were the heart of a magnificently surreal resort. The owner confirms that guests are welcome to explore all areas. The Galaxy itself was forced to permanently shut after a man met his unfortunate and untimely end, falling overboard from the top floor, lending the site the haunted reputation. So, if you are in search of the extraordinary and supernatural, the Galaxy Hotel on Koh Chang Island awaits you. Come delve into its history, walk its abundant corridors, and maybe even meet its spectral guests. Just remember, adventure isn't always where you expect to find it. Sometimes it is tucked away in an abandoned cruise ship hotel on a secluded Thai island. According to local media, an average of only 20 to 40 people visit the place per day. Most information is taken from the nation Thailand. Koh Chang also concludes the trip of Alexander and Barbara. A big thank you to both of them, and we hope to travel with them soon again. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.